Hey guys, Shion here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be making some Juneteenth bath bombs. There's no intro or none of that. We're just going to jump straight into it. So right now, I am making my bath bomb mix. If you want to see what all I put in my bath bomb mix, head over to my other video, the DIY geode bath bomb video. I do a step-by-step instructions. So right now I'm just getting my mix ready. Stay tuned through the end of this video. I am doing a giveaway, my first giveaway, so I'm excited. Go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll get into more details about that. So these Juneteenth bath bombs I'm making right now, Juneteenth, if you don't know anything about Juneteenth, it is basically what us African Americans call our Independence Day. Look it up, if you don't know. But the main colors of Juneteenth are red, green, black, yellow. So I've decided to make some bath bombs with those colors. So what you see I'm doing here is I'm taking red and green mix. So basically I took some of the white mix and I made some of it red, green, yellow, black. And I'm using my heart mode to make some heart bath bombs. So I just took the red and the black, outlined it, the mode with it. The red and green, outlined the mode with it, and then stuffed it with the white. And then I'm going to paint the inside black. So as you can see there, I'm stuffing it with the white mix. And, these are all just experiments and they turned out cute. So I'm going to, do stuff with them. So now I'm putting the yellow in there. And the green, like I said, the main colors of Juneteenth are green, red, and black. But there, yellow's in there as well. So I decided to play with that yellow as well. Give it that extra pop of color. And then I am putting black around it. Kind of reminded me of like Jamaica, like the Jamaican flag. So I thought that was really cool. And then, so what I ended up doing with this bath bomb was, once it dried, I went back with glitter over the color. So black glitter over the black, red glitter over the red, etc., etc. And it turned out really cute. And then I wrote Juneteenth Freedom Day on it. So now I'm going to fill the mold with the white. These hearts are big. They're about the palm of your hand. So they're really big bath bombs. And I'm scenting all of these bath bombs with Love Spell and Pineapple Mango, my favorite fragrances. So yeah. And right now what I'm doing is I'm taking those colors and I'm going to do the swirl method. So I'm taking the red, green, black, and yellow, and I'm going to start from the outside and work my way to the inside and do a swirl. So outside to inside swirl. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other half. And then I'm filling the middle with the white. It turned out pretty cool. This was an experiment, my first time doing swirls, so thought it was really cool. Cool method. So, like I said, I took some of the white batter and I just put a little bit in different containers and then dyed those the Juneteenth colors so that I can make Juneteenth bath bombs. If you have any questions, of course, leave a comment below. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like. And like I said, stay tuned to the end because I am doing a giveaway with these bath bombs. So, yeah. So once you get both sides made, go ahead and mold your bath bomb. And I like to use a spoon to help kind of demold it so that when I pull it apart, it's all one shape. Look at that. So cool. So beautiful. I thought that was just really cool. And so what I decided to do with the last of the mix was that same method, but add a white into it. So I'm using the white, red, green, black, and yellow. And again, I'm going to do the swirl method, but I'm going to put both of those in each half first. And then I'm going to do the swirl method. So outside to inside, best swirl technique. How you get like such a good swirl if you start from the outside and then work your way in. Versus the, opposite. And now I'm just taking the rest of the bath bomb mix the leftovers, and I'm just putting it in there. So instead of stuffing it with just white, I'm going to use all the color, the remaining of all the colors. I wanted to see how that looks, so I'm just putting it all in there. Now I'm putting the black, and I'm going to put the white as well, but I wanted to kind of play with all the colors. The leftover bath bomb mix, might as well, right? Then I'm going to mold it and then use my spoon again to unmold. And look at that, super beautiful. That turned out really cool. However, it did break because it wasn't stuffed enough. So I put my bath bombs in the refrigerator to let them dry overnight. I also ended up making one other bath bomb off camera. This one, and like I said, the colors of Juneteenth are mainly, the main colors are red, black, and green. So I wanted to play on that and make another heart bath bomb. I thought that was just so pretty and so cool. And then I wrote Juneteenth in gold mica. It turned out really nice. So beautiful. I really liked the sheen with this mica. It has a natural kind of glitter in it. So I thought that was really beautiful. All right, so in my giveaway, I put all those bath bombs you just see me make and this beautiful geode bath bomb. I did not record myself making this, but this is also part of the giveaway. So if you want to enter our giveaway, this is what you'll be winning, this beautiful box. So 2 people will be winning this beautiful box filled with, it's 6 bath bombs, plus I teamed up with Cocoa Sisters, and you'll be getting a body butter and a soap as well. So you'll get these 6 bath bombs plus a body butter and a soap. And how to enter is very simple. Go to my Instagram, business Instagram. So it's smell_in_bomb. All this will be in the description. So on my business Instagram page, follow my business Instagram, Smell and Bomb. Follow Cocoa Sisters on Instagram. And then like the giveaway post and comment the little lady in the bathtub in the comments, and that's it. And bonus entries for tagging someone that you feel would really love these bath bombs. If you win, they win too. So super simple, 3 steps. Like the pages, or follow the pages, like the post, and leave a comment. Very simple. And we're going to pick 2 winners, and it will be announced on Juneteenth, which is this Saturday, June 19th, at 2 p.m. So all these beautiful bath bombs, like I said, they're scented with pineapple, mango, and love spell. They smell amazing. They have coconut oil, clay oak and clay, Epsom salt, just all the goodies to help you relax. You're going to be just enjoying yourself in the tub. All the beautiful colors. These are great for if you have kids too. You want to teach them about Juneteenth. What a cool way to teach them about Juneteenth with bath bombs. So look at the description and look at the description and follow the instructions, and hopefully you guys, one of you will win. So yeah, that's all the bath bombs right there. And this is my first giveaway, first of many. So yeah, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you want to. And so that's the body butter and the soap you'll be winning from Cocoa Sisters if you enter. Thank you so much for your support. See you guys in the next video.